Hi all. See this is a problem of summation, okay? So we have to find the sum of this series. So it's this series sum, and this kind of problem is little bit complicated. You have to think always. Now here we will have to first think the general term of this series, okay? Then only it will be done. Now let us consider that this series. Now see that it is 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7. So what we understand that? It is we are able to understand that in this case that we are having a even number and then we have a odd number, and similar pattern will follow, right? So therefore we can easily rewrite the given series, right? Let us consider that we are looking for the find series summation. So it's equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to 11, okay? We'll write down it as 2n into n minus 1, okay? 2n minus 1, okay? So always, okay, we can have mistake at the beginning, okay? So always check that twice and substitute the appropriate values to check that. So here, that's my assumption based on that. Now let's see that, did I write it properly, right? So substitute n equal to 1. So if I substitute n equal to 1, we get 1. If I substitute n equal to 1, we get 1. So it's 1 cross 1, so that is 1. Go for the second value, n equal to 2. So 2 are 4, 3, so on, right? So therefore, this is the general term, whatever there in the curly bracket, right? So now we'll multiply that. So therefore, it's imply that we can easily rewrite summation of n square minus summation of n. This is n is equal to 1 to 11, n is equal to 1 to 11, okay? That's the sum, okay? So now see that, what is this? It is actually imply that summation of n equal to 1 to 11 n square. That's imply that is the sum of first 11 terms of a whole natural number square term. So what's the formula? Formula says that it's n into n plus 1 divided by n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6, okay? So don't confuse that. Here n is actually 11, right? So let's write down that. So therefore we can find out that it's imply that it is 2 multiplied by n. Here n is 11, so n into n plus 1, so 11 plus 1 plus 2n plus 1, so 2 into 11 plus 1 divided by 6. So that's the summation formula, okay? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And obviously in the next case we have is the sum of all first n natural number. So 11 natural number, that sum is n into n plus 1 by 2, where n is 11. So therefore we can see that it can be written as n 11 into 11 plus 1 divided by 2, okay? So therefore we can need to calculate that. So let's go ahead. We can see this is 3, this is 11 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 22, so it's 23 minus 11 into 12 divided by 2. So therefore we can say it is 44 into 23 and minus 66, okay? That's it. So we have to multiply that and get your solution ready, okay? So therefore we have to multiply that. So if I multiply and do the calculation, we'll calculate it as 946, okay? The basic simple calculation. So therefore for this problem, obviously option B is the correct choice. So let's go ahead and see these solutions again, okay? Now here you will see that, right? Here we just write down the summation form, which is in a very better way of understanding, because we can understand that. Now here if I multiply this 2n square, right? So we'll take that 2 common. So that's the process we have to follow, and this is the only way. So first of all, first step you have to follow that whenever you have to go ahead and do this any kind of summation with in term, unit term, or infinite series, okay? So then you have to first find out the general term. And how we find out the general term? By observation. So see the pattern and find the general term and try to substitute the value of n to obtain the ranges here, and then your job is done. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.